How should the church embrace science? Well, I will say, I would suggest the church be in a posture of dialogue surrounding science. We should be willing to work with the scientific community, to work with them to help explain the divine side behind the various scientific processes. And currently we're seeing more of a conflict with science in the church, and we're seeing certain elements of the Christian faith encouraging the government to defund science because of it being demonic. And Dr. Ian Barber, who is a physicist and theologian, developed 4 models of around 2000 of how the church interacts with the scientific community. There's the conflict model, which I mentioned. The church is in conflict with the science community and treats it as demonic, and we should not support science. Then there's the independence, that the church doesn't necessarily criticize the scientific community, but the scientific community shouldn't interact with the church. Then there's the dialogue model, where the church works with the scientific community, and the church and the scientific community works with the church, and it's an open form of dialogue. And then there's the integration, where the church and the scientific community are fully integrated with each other. And I don't think the integration is a good thing, but I do think we should be in dialogue, because there is something divine behind, in the earth science realm, behind the moving and shifting of tectonic plates, in the biological realm of the division of cells through mitosis and meiosis. There's something divine behind chemical reactions in chemistry, and something divine behind the laws of gravity in the physics realm. And there's something divine behind mathematical equations. And we've had so many devout Christians who have been scientists, like Isaac Newton. And that's why I would suggest the church be in a posture of dialogue and not in conflict with science, but we should work with the science community and be in conversations to explain the divine natures behind scientific processes. Peace and blessings, y'all.